Yes, another interesting recipe, guys. I know you all are going to love this one, more especially mothers with babies. This video is for you. On this recipe, I'm going to be making tiger nut pudding. So I am starting up with tiger nut and rice. I already soaked the tiger nut in water. If you are using dry tiger nut, make sure you soak it. Then next, I went in with hot water on my rice. You can parboil your rice to prevent your blender from getting spoiled. So I soak this on hot water, and then next I'm just going to wash it out and then transfer it into my blender, add water on it, and then blend it very smooth. So while blending this, let me tell you guys how I came across this recipe. So I visited a Ghanaian friend and then she served me this pudding. I was like, oh my goodness, how did you make this thing? And then she told me how to make it, and I told her I'm going to make a video about it and post on my platform. So here is me trying to make the video. So once I'm done blending the rice and the tiger nut, next I'm going to be using my juice machine to juice out the water, like separate the chaff and the water, because we are not going to be making use of the chaff. So if you don't have juice machine, you can use cloth or you can use basket, whichever thing you have. Just separate the chaff and the water. Next, I'm going to transfer it into the pot. Remember, set your stove on a low heat. We don't need too much heat on this. So you continue to stir it around. Don't leave it. We don't want it to get burnt. So the more you continue to stir it, the more thicker it becomes. So I'll continue to stir it until I get the texture I really wanted. Guys, when I tasted this tiger nut pudding, like, it was one of the best thing I have ever tasted this year, 2024. So for mothers with babies from 6 months, this is another delicious meal you can prepare for your baby. So I'll set it aside, and then I'm going to add sugar in my frying pan, and I'm going to dissolve the sugar. So if you are giving your baby this, you don't need to add sugar on it. What you need is dates. So while you are blending the rice and the tiger nut, you add dates on it and blend it. So next, I'm going to be adding water on it, just little water, stir it around until I get the texture I want, and then I'm going to be transferring it into the pot. Honestly, babies will love this food. Make sure when you are making it for your baby, do not use sugar on it. Use dates instead. Blend dates, tiger nut, and rice together. So guys, at this point, I'm going to be transferring the sugar I melted into my pudding. So next, I'm just going to mix it up nicely. At this point, your tiger nut pudding is ready. What you need again now is milk. Maybe condensed milk or dry milk, whichever one you have is going to come out nice. So I dish a little bit on the plate, and then I went in with milk on it. When I tasted it, it was really good. So I decided to eat it with akara as Nigerian girl. So next, I added milk on it, and then I tasted it, guys. It was really nice. No different with pap, but this one tastes more nice than pap. So as Naija girl will be like I talk, I say, akara go down with this tea though. I had to use akara to finish it. So the leftover one, I gave it to my children. They really love it. If you have a baby from 6 months and above, enough of you giving them just pap and Cerelac. Spice things up. Try this with your kids. Try it with your baby. They are going to love it. If you are giving it to babies from 6 months, use dates instead of sugar. My children really love this. I never expected them to like this thing, guys. All right, thank you so much for watching this video. See you all on my next one. Bye.